Hi, I'm Jordan. This is my dad, Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. Today, we're answering the question, because we get this asked a lot actually, is do plumbers fix refrigerators? So Dad, do plumbers fix refrigerators?
No.
There you go. Thanks for watching.
Nope. No. Plumber is probably responsible for the water that's going to the refrigerator that makes the ice, but that's about it. If it doesn't, once it's at the refrigerator, if it's a bad ice maker, he's not into that. Call the repair guy. Okay, that's your best thing you do. Any appliance. The plumber is more responsible for the water going to it. If it's got water and the drain is not clogged coming out of it, even the drain on a dishwasher is a different device. You know, he's responsible to where the drain ends up on the dishwasher. Okay. Don't waste your money, you know, and call a plumber to come and fix your appliances. Go right straight to appliance guy.
There you go. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe for more tips from the Grumpy Plumber.
And I hope it works out for you.